Do you get a physical card that can be used anywhere? So let me break down the credit cards, and then let me tell you guys about like which ones you probably can use at a which ones you would have to use at a merchant, like which one you can use at a store. Like I'll tell you all the details when it comes down to this. So I'm not sure which credit card they're talking about, but if you guys get the My Jewelers Club or the New Coast Direct, if you guys still get it for whatever reason, you can only use that at that place. If it's a Visa credit card or if it's a MasterCard, you can use that anywhere Visa or MasterCard is accepted. If you guys do like the Camping World and they give you the Good Sam credit card or the Good Sam credit card, just a regular credit card, that's a store card. If you guys get the Express card credit card, that's a store card. You can only use that there. If you guys get like the Victoria's Secret credit card, you can only use that there. But if it's a like the My Jewelers Club and the New Coast Direct, I wish I had my purse around me. They do send you a credit card. I still have them because sometimes, I just have them all in there just in case I want to make a video, show you guys. I'll have them. I want to keep up with them. But they do send you a physical card. A lot of times, a lot of these stores will send you, or a lot of these companies will send you a physical card, but that doesn't mean that you can use it everywhere. If it says Visa or MasterCard, then at that point, you know that you can use it everywhere. So that's the biggest thing. You want to get Visa or MasterCard because you can use